Tracfone minutes themselves can't be directly transferred to a new phone or account like cash. Instead, your minutes, texts, and data are tied to your Tracfone account and SIM card. Upgrading your phone or switching carriers requires understanding how Tracfone manages your balance and service days to ensure you don't lose what you've paid for. Keep in mind that airtime balances are non-transferable and tied to the associated phone number. There are a few options for keeping your service when getting a new phone. Option 1, same carrier, new phone. Insert your existing SIM into the new unlocked phone. Check compatibility on Tracfone's site. Balance and days carry over automatically. Option 2, different carrier. Port your number using Tracfone's porting process via customer service or app. Unused minutes may not transfer, but service days could extend if the new carrier offers credit. Option 3, multiple devices. Tracfone allows up to 10 devices per account for family plans, sharing the same balance. Always check your new phone's compatibility on Tracfone's website and reactivate the SIM via the app or website after swapping. If switching to a new carrier, porting your number might let you retain service days, but unused minutes are unlikely to transfer. Also, you can share service by setting up a family plan.